Hello, I'm Joanne Turner reporting from the oneM2M showcase this week here at Etsy, and I'm talking to Sumia from Eurocom. Sumia, welcome. So perhaps you can tell us a little bit about the demonstration you have here and some of the partners involved.
Yeah, so what we are showing is basically a oneM2M based light gateway, and the partners involved are Eurocom, which is a research institute in Sofia Antipolis, and MEOS. What we are showing is basically it has two use cases. One is with the connected drive, another is with smart living. So in the connected drive, what we're doing is with the abundance of all the vehicular sensors, so we are trying to get a way to connect all these sensors to our gateway. So it's being done over ITSG5, which is a standard from Etsy at the moment. So we are trying to see how this data could help getting some high-level abstractions and actionable intelligence out of it. So this is about the connected drive. And we also have an Android application where you can actually query and get all the sensor data from the vehicles. And coming back to the smart living, so let's say there you have certain wearable devices measuring your body temperature, and you have certain other temperature devices in your smart home. So combining all the information into coming from these domains into the gateway, we could actually find some high-level abstractions. For example, if your body temperature is 40 degrees centigrade, using semantics computing, we can find out that it's actually corresponding to fever in your body. So we can try to provide some actuation, for example, if you want to raise the temperature in case you're feeling cold due to fever.
Okay, and so how is oneM2M playing a part in these use case scenarios?
So oneM2M is a very important part in these use case scenarios. For example, we have very flexibility and interoperability with other standards, and due to this flexibility, we could port the oneM2M stack onto the constant device like Raspberry Pi, not only into the cloud. So this is one main point. Another point is interoperation of oneM2M with other standards like OML lightweight M2M. So this OML lightweight M2M we are using for device management for both the smart living and the connected car. So in this way, it has brought some real good values into the entire demonstrations.
Okay, and obviously smart living and connected cars are topics that are talked about quite widely. So how are these use case scenarios relevant in the wider market?
So for the connected car, what we are actually doing is the basis, and it actually fits into all the use cases. But the main intelligence here is on the data. So the way we collect the data and the way we are processing the data, it's giving some high-level abstraction and actionable intelligence for consumers like us. So it enables different actors like insurance providers or network providers to gain some additional insight into all this. The same thing is true for the wearable market. So let's say you have a device keeping track of your body temperature. So if you suddenly have a fever, so you have a history of all your body temperature, so it could help the doctors to diagnose something. And we actually provide some data analytics to show how to visualize the data and how to get some other insights from this. So this is how we distinguish ourselves and the main innovation there.
Okay, thanks for talking to us today.
Thank you very much.